Good afternoon, friends. Today is 26th of June 2021 and we are again going to the park after the second lockdown. This is my first trip to the park and we are going on zone number 1. We are expecting a nice sighting up there because yesterday when the park was open there was a sighting too. So we are going on zone number 1. Here we have come on zone number 1, Tutika Nala, and as soon as we reached there we found a tigress sitting up there. She is Sultana T107. She is almost 6 years old tigress and she is with two young ones. Mostly she is keeping the young ones on non-tourism area. She is yawning, means she is planning to wake up.
पानी पी ले बेटा। ओहो क्या पोज है।
If it will do some more yawnings, it will get up. Looking at us with its tiny eyes, sometimes opening clearly but showing that still I am tired, I want to take rest. I am even taking some photographs by the camera. If you like these photographs, you even can enjoy it on my Instagram. She is still want to take some rest, but if it will take some more yawns, then she will get up. Light is perfect. अब मैं कुछ हिंदी में भी बताना चाहूँगा। ये जो टाइग्रेस है सुल्ताना है और जोन नंबर 1 की बहुत ही अच्छी शानदार टाइग्रेस है। इसके 2 बच्चे हैं जो नॉन टूरिज्म जोन में ज़्यादा रहते हैं। आज गर्मी होने की वजह से ये पानी पर हमको आते ही मिल गई। ये बहुत अच्छा शुभ संकेत था। टाइगर लवर्स के लिए रणथंभौर बहुत ही शानदार जगह है जहाँ पर गर्मियों के दिनों में टाइगर पानी के आसपास और पानी पर देखा जा सकता है। Ranthambore is really very famous for the tigers. Almost in the summer time we can get them very nicely. In this zone there are some other tigers, but we are not having enough time and the guests are even saying me to go somewhere else, but we are not having enough time to go there. If we will come back here, it will really move from here. So we have to take the advantage of her movement by staying here. Licking the paw. This is their pattern actually. When they want to wake up, want to get up, they do clean their paws, they do clean their mouth also. These are the part of tiger's life, tiger's behavior. What is the plan? Yawn. Some photographs even you can see. Quite peaceful. Water is silent. No movement anywhere.
और डूब गई अब नहीं उठी पूरी एक्टिविटी हो चुकी है इसकी
In summers, tigers are usually can found nearby water holes. Finally, she is drinking water, means soon she will get up. Because after here, when she will reach other point, how long distance it will be. So before that, she want to wet her throat. And finally she got up. Little stretch. She will go away from the car.
गाड़ियाँ लगा दी हैं मैंने आगे से
How gently she is going